California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a chit chat tutorial type of thing. I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks, I believe. So this is a little bit different. I have some things to update you guys on, and I'm glad to be back. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm pretty sure that the look I'm doing is inspired by, I think it's Baby Ruth or Baby Girl Ruth on Instagram. I love her so much. She's so talented. So that is what I'm inspired by, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so I just primed my eyes with the Makeup Revolution eye primer in white. And the two palettes I'm going to be using today are the Juvia's Place and the Dream Street, just because it's a cool tone look. So I'm going to start off with this brown right here. And I'm going to just go in with a little fluffy brush. So my first update is my camera quality probably looks different. I got a new phone last weekend. I have the iPhone XR now in red. Red is my favorite color, if y'all did not know that. But basically, everything is more zoomed in with this camera, and it's very weird for me. I have been trying to get used to it, but yeah. And then I have a lot going on at school right now. Basically, I'm in foods class, and so we cook a lot of different meals for like events the school's holding and stuff. And so this coming Friday, the school's having a festival, and my class has to provide the pies and the bake sale items. And then this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are cooking with the Spanish 3 kids. So I have that happening, and then I have this 300-point project in that class in 2 weeks, which is about it's my international meal project. So me and my best friend Trey are partners for that. And then I have a yeast bread project in that class as well, which is an independent meal. So I have to cook a yeast bread. And then the week after that, I get my permit on the 20th, if I pass, which I'm praying I do. And on the 21st, I have a dentist appointment. And then the week after that is the week of exams, or the week before exams. So everything is just like, right now, I've just not been motivated at all. As y'all can probably tell, I go through ruts a lot where I just don't want to do anything. I'm now gonna go in with this shade right here. This is called Moony, I believe. And the first shade I used was Twinkle. I've been wanting to film and like post on Instagram. It's not that I don't want to. It's just the fact that like I can't find the time or energy to do it. So I know it's like an excuse, and I'm trying to get better. Like, I did okay for like a week there. A few weeks back, I like filmed like 3 videos in 1 week, but it's just taking a lot for me to get like up and doing stuff. Okay, I'm now going in with this blue shade, and I can't pronounce that name, so I'm just not gonna even try. But this is just gonna go all over my lid, basically. So also, I got Spotify Premium since I last talked to you guys, which is exciting for me. I don't have to deal with ads and stuff anymore, which is a great time. I bought some new makeup, and it wasn't like a lot of stuff. I mean, kind of, sort of, a little bit. I don't know, but I will show you guys here in a second after I'm done with this eye, or my eyes in general. I'm gonna go in with my the Magic Mini palette. Oh my gosh, And I'm gonna take this Buzzo shade and just put the tiniest bit on my lid just so it makes it a little bit more green than blue. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a little quick haul. So I bought the Bad As Cosmetics Neon Stack. I am using this today. And then that's the only thing I got from them. And then on Ulta, I got 2 primers. I got the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Prime Primer. I got the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. I got this Wet n Wild 3-in-1 Photo Focus Coconut Primer. That's the English side. And then I also got this I Heart Revolution Vanilla and Coconut Makeup Fixing Spray. I saw, I think it was Daisy Marquez use these things, so I was like, I'm gonna get those. And then I also got the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've been wanting to try this. And I also got the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Beige. This is in Vanilla. I thought this was gonna be a lot lighter than it is, so I just kind of mixed the two because this one's too light and this one's too dark. And then the last place I went and got some stuff off of was House of Sparkles. They were having a 75% off everything sale, so I got their Glow Mist in Crystal. And I think this is for your body. I originally thought it was for the face, but it was only like $2.50, so I'm not really complaining. And then I got 7 glitters, and I'm gonna make another purchase of 11 more. But I have a code with them. It is Tori Linn MUA. Get yourself 15% off. So I'm planning on buying some more in like a week or so, just because I'm gonna like take a little break, but I have to use my code soon or it will expire since I'm new to their program. But if you want to make a House of Sparkles UK order, let me know what you did down below so then my code does not expire. But I got the shade Paparazzi. This is such a pretty one. It's a chunky glitter. I got Citrus Zest, which is also a chunky glitter. I got Funfetti, which is also a chunky glitter. You can't really see it because all the pink is stuck to the bottom, but it literally looks like confetti. And then I got Home Alone, which is also a chunky glitter. This is such a pretty one. I got their Gold Flakes, which I cannot wait to use these. And I got 2 fine glitters, and I am planning on buying more fine glitters. But I got Sour Apple and Coral Candy, which both look like this. And I'm going to be using Sour Apple today, so I'm going to keep that one out. But that is everything I bought recently. Now we're going to get back into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm using this densely packed brush and the yellow from the Bad As Cosmetics little stack set. So this is just going right on my inner corner. I love this whole like bright inner corner or pop of something in your inner corner look. I just think it's so cute. So I've been seeing this trend where you like put glitter on your brow bone. So I'm going to quickly do my brows. All I'm going to do is fill them in with my Anastasia Blonde Dip Brow Gel. I do this every single day that I do like my brows. I don't do my brows every day, but I figure I should probably do my brows before I do this. And now go in with the NYX Glitter Glue and my House of Sparkles UK Glitter and Sour Apple. Like I said, use the code Tori Linn MUA to get $15% off your purchase. And I totally recommend you buying from them. Like, I wouldn't promote them if I didn't like them. And I purchased from them twice now. Shipping takes about 2 weeks because they are in the UK, but I think that's pretty good. I love their brand. I have a lot of their lashes. I have their full Christmas collection, and then 7 I just bought. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glitter glue right on my brow bone. You don't want a ton of glitter, that's why I'm like doing this sparsely, but I've seen so many people do this trend and I love it. I've also seen so many people do like the rainbow brow bone, I want to do that as well. I'm gonna prime my skin with my e.l.f. primer and that Wet n Wild spray. Okay, so that was the first time I'd ever used either of those primers. This e.l.f. one was super thick like lotion, and it had like a slight floral scent or cucumber, and it smelled really good, and I like the way it feels on my skin. And then this Wet n Wild one, I have used the like original version of this. They don't sell that anymore. They just sell the scented version. But it smells really good. The spray is a little intense. And I remember when I first got it, I think it leaked a little bit. So just be careful. But I do like it. It's not a super strong scent. It's just like a nice, and it felt good on the skin. So I think I like both of them. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced and that e.l.f. concealer. So I'm first gonna go in with my Too Faced one, obviously. And I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes. At my mom's house, we are redoing my room, and so I think I'm gonna film a vlog next weekend, or like a transformation type of thing. We already have it painted because she painted it for me this weekend since I'm obviously not there, and we wanted for me to be able to like decorate and put stuff in place next weekend, since next weekend is Mother's Day weekend. So we picked out paint colors, and I had her paint it for me. So the room is painted, and we have started to buy like decorations and stuff. I'll officially be a sophomore in 3 weeks, which is insane. Like, there's just so much happening, and like this month, or this year in general, has gone crazy fast. So I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Maybelline powder, like always. Since we are already using House of Sparkles UK products, I am going to use their Fallen Angel loose highlighter. This is such a gorgeous highlighter. You guys aren't even ready. Okay, so for lashes, I went in with Get It Beauty Galileo. I love these lashes. I use them all the time. And then for lip, I went in with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in Fighter, and then I topped it off with Poet. So I used both of these. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can see my green glitter on my brow bone. I'm gonna go take pictures, and it's currently 3 o'clock. I have a birthday party I have to be to at 2, so I might do something else. I don't really know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.